Hello there my friends, welcome back to the channel. So today I brought you an interesting topic about how you can enhance your PowerPoint presentation by using ChatGPT. So let's get straight into it. Now first of all, you have to open ChatGPT, its official website. Now it will ask you to sign in or create an account. So if you don't have any account, so create one. If you have, so sign in. So let's make a new chat. So first of all, you have to decide that on which topic you want a presentation. So for example, if you want a presentation on global warming, you have to write like this. Like this. Now press enter. Now as you can see, it is generating the slides in the text form. Let's see how many slides it makes. So it's 11. Now what you have to do is select all this text, like this, and copy it. Now open a new tab and let's open our Microsoft account. Let's go to the office. First it will ask you to sign in, so sign in. So in Microsoft 365 you have to make a new Word document. Click on blank document and a new tab will open. Now paste the text which we copied from ChatGPT. Hit Ctrl V. Now as you can see, I have pasted all the text which I got from ChatGPT. Now what you have to do is go to File and click on Export. And as you can see, export to PowerPoint presentation preview. You can export this document to your PowerPoint presentation. Now hit it. Now as you can see, it is making a design. Now it will ask you to choose a theme. For example, I will choose this theme. Now click export. As you can see, it is preparing our slide and doing everything. As you can see, your presentation is ready. Now click open presentation. As you can see, our PowerPoint is opening. Here you go. Perfect. Now let's see if it is matching. Now see this. Slide 3, energy efficiency and conservation. Where is the slide 3? Energy efficiency and conservation. Perfect. So look perfect. So you can also open this presentation in your desktop app. As you can see, I'm opening. Open PowerPoint. As you can see, it is opening. It will maybe ask you to sign in, so let me sign in. As you can see, it opened. Now you can edit or do anything and save it. Perfect. So from this, now you got to know that it's so much easy to enhance or make your presentation with the help of ChatGPT. So if you found this video helpful and you have any doubts, or if you have successfully created it, please let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.